I just wanted to show you this backup camera I just got. It's for like under 60 bucks, 56 bucks plus tax. But it was for a dually. And I thought, man, 4-door dually. I wonder if the cable's going to be long enough. Well, it was. It was plenty long. Probably had an extra 8 feet. But what's cool about this, it's got a nice size monitor. It's got a bunch of different features right along the top. You can turn it on and off up there. But if you don't want to hardwire it in, you can hook it into your power port. And it's actually got an on and off button right here. So you can just click it off from here rather than touching your screen, up by your screen or messing with that. So you can turn it off and on. Or you can wire it in directly. But I thought this was the easy way to do it. And what's really cool about it is not only is it give me a way to see my hands when I back up to a trailer, but it also works as a backup camera when you don't have a trailer on, and it's got a backup light. So really cool, man. For the money, 56 bucks, can't beat it.